Okay, just finished warming up the bike for about 3 minutes, and then now I've just got to let it cool down, and then we'll start the oil change on the wr450f Yamaha. Okay, so the I've let the bike cool down now, and I'm just looking at the owner's manual. We have to remove the oil tank cap, this one right there, I don't know if you can see that, and then we've got to take the oil filler cap off, and we've got to take the drain bolt, which is this one here, take that off, and there's another, the crankcase, I don't know if you can see that, it's right underneath the bike, it's right underneath there, that bolt right there, I don't know if you can see that, and after that we've got to take off the oil filter to change that as well, and I've got to take this bolt off to help drain the oil, and we'll get that started. Okay, so I've taken off the filler cap. Sorry, that was the oil tank cap. Sorry, taking that off. Taking off the filler cap, which goes here. I've also taken off the drain bolt cap, as you can see here, and the other one underneath, right underneath here. And I've also taken off the as you can see, I've already taken off the oil filter, and there it is there, oil filter and the 3 different bolts, and I've drained the oil already, as you can see. I've just, took me about 5 minutes to drain all the oil. I had to shake the bike around, tip it side to side, make sure I had all the oil out, and now I'm just setting it, and I'll probably do it again, and then I'll put the new oil filter in, and then go from there, put everything back together. Okay, sorry, before I forget, these are the tools I'm using and the funnel for the oil. Done a bit of research on the internet. They reckon module 5100 10 weight 40 is recommended for the wr450f. Some might use YAMAHA or another type of oil, but they reckon module 5100 10 weight 40. I've got the oil filter here as well. It's a high flow. It's a HF140, as the older bikes use a 141, but this is what it pretty much looks like. Only cost me $12, and the oil only cost me, I think it was $18. But yeah, it's all pretty cheap. And I've also got some chain lube. Only cost me $12 just to oil up the chain as well. I'll probably do this every couple of weeks just to keep it oiled up. And another thing, just before putting the new oil filter in. I've just oiled up both sides of it from the Motril 5100 10 weight 40. Okay, now I'm gonna attempt to put everything back together.